Hi, this is Pastor Robbie coming to you with an update on our Administer Justice initiative. I'm pleased to announce that the Joint Board has formally approved that we will go ahead and proceed with opening up Christian Tabernacle Church as a Administer Justice host site. What does that mean? Well, that means that we as a church will be able to offer free legal consultative services to individuals within our congregation, as well as those within our community that have the needs of a lawyer, but we also offer the love of God through our church. So I'm excited that we are moving forward. There's some administrative things that we still have to do before we officially get our site up and hosted. We're working through some contractual things that we have to deal with the Administer Justice people. We're also looking internally at some people that we need to fill some key roles and positions. I've reached out to a few individuals that have gone through some Administer Justice training, but I'm also in the process of setting up a Zoom meeting that I want to make you all aware of. So I'm going to be sending out some communication very shortly on this meeting where we'll sit down and have a Q&A session, basically, where you can ask questions and hopefully I or others, we can provide answers on what Administer Justice will be for our church and our community, and the role that you might be able to play if you decide that this is a ministry that you would like to be a part of. And I really believe that this is at the heart of what God would have us to do for people. God teaches us never to pervert justice and always to make sure justice is available, even for the least of those that may not be able to afford it. So I'm looking forward to us becoming a host site. We're in the process of coming up with a name for our host site. So if you have a creative name, feel free to offer that up to us and we'll take it into consideration. So again, I wanted to give you an update to let you know we are moving forward. My expectation is the beginning of June, we'll be in a position where we can do what's called a soft launch, where we kind of have a test date where we set up some mock appointments to make sure that administratively we've got all of the tools and the system that we'll be using in place to make the appointments and to document the discussions that are held with the attorneys and the clients. We need to have our client advocates in place, our intake specialists in place, and our Administer Justice champion in place. And we're working with some key individuals that have shown an interest that may want to fill those positions. But in any case, look forward to some information that will give you a link to a Zoom meeting that we'll have, and I welcome all of you to attend. I'm excited that we're moving in this direction. I'm excited that our church is going to be able to be what I believe is the first in our area to be an Administer Justice host site. So continue to pray for us. And I know that this is something that God would have us to do. So that's why I'm here in this Administer Justice setting right now, in this hallway of justice, because administering justice is something the people of God must do. God bless you. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon on that Q&A call.